The Panasonic Lumix S1R marks a significant step forward in hybrid camera technology, debuting in early 2025 as the brand's flagship full-frame model. At its core is a powerful 44.3-megapixel back-illuminated CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality and impressive low-light performance. The camera's advanced phase detect autofocus system, bolstered by artificial intelligence, ensures precise subject tracking and reliable focus, particularly for human eyes and faces. Designed with versatility in mind, the S1R features a robust, weather-resistant build that caters to both photographers and videographers. Its compact form factor and premium materials make it suitable for demanding shoots in various environments. Altogether, these standout features position the S1R as a compelling choice for creators seeking high resolution, speed, and durability in a single package. The Panasonic Lumix S1R stands out with its impressive 44.3-megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering exceptional image quality and detail for both landscapes and portraits. Its advanced video capabilities include 8.1K recording at 30 frames per second, making it a powerful tool for professional videographers seeking high-resolution footage and flexible framing options. The camera's in-body stabilization system, combined with a new digital stabilization mode, ensures smooth handheld shooting without cropping the field of view. While the autofocus system, enhanced by AI, provides reliable subject tracking, users should be mindful of potential rolling shutter effects during fast pans or when capturing rapid movement. Battery life is adequate, but may fall short compared to some competitors, so carrying spares is advisable for extended shoots. Photographers will appreciate the camera's versatility across genres, while videographers benefit from robust video features and stabilization. To maximize the S1R2's potential, it's recommended to plan shooting scenarios carefully and take advantage of its advanced autofocus and stabilization technologies.